Hello guys, I'm Main of Unreal Engine, but come on, there are other engines like Unity, for example, which I'll talk about today. This program is great for indie developers with little team, but not for big studios and larger groups of devs. Unity is best for teams which have 1 to 10 peoples. But why? That's a good question. There are two reasons. First, Licentian which want to pay $2,200 per year to make your game earn more than $200,000. It doesn't big problem in small studios. But imagine you have to buy it to 150 devs for 5 years without big budget. And this horrible user contract, which want your location cache card pin and hours when you're not at home. Okay, I overdid it. Runtime fee. What mean you need to pay for every download? But that function is only for Unity. Personal, which is one of 4 type of license. First one is Unity Personal. That one is free, but first you have runtime fee, and you can't earn more than $200,000. But about that one, I'm talked about this before. For Unity Pro, you can earn from 200,000 US dollars to 25 million. How I tell you need to buy it. But what does it offers you? Abolition of runtime fee, 25 gigabytes of free storage, access to technical support, better tools for teams. It's good for 50 to 100 developers team with budget, but no, for big and very small studios. Next license is Unity Enterprise. What's included? Everything in ProCloud and on-prem build automation, source code access. Additional year of LTS support, dedicated. Support enterprise cloud storage and features. I don't recommend this license for small studios. This one isn't for people's who's treated as a hobby or this isn't their main job. How using Unity Pro is completely okay. When you need more advanced functions, this one isn't have that much benefits for work optimization. That license is for large groups of developers like medium studios. And last one is industry license, which give you everything in enterprise, Unity Studio and the Unity Asset Manager, 3D digital asset management, 70+ file formats supported for 3D data ingestion and transformation. Dedicated support and training. Streamlined 3D data pipelines, virtual private cloud deployment, embedded platform access. Fun fact, this licenssion have custom price, which you need to establish. Unity Industrial is about me no sense to buy for small studios. And yes, that one have much benefits for pure development. But better for small studios and freelancers is Best by Unity Studio and Pro. After discussing types of license, I need to talk about engine and why big studios don't use it. First reason is Unity. Don't using popular language like C++, which is used by Unreal Engine or From Software. Unity have C#, which isn't that popular language. Next reason is Unity isn't have much features and work optimizers like Unreal Engine blueprints or Godot advanced rendering for improved performance on Apple devices. Or they are only in Unity Pro, like heavily integrating AI, notably through its AI-powered vector product for advertising. Okay, Unity isn't perfect, but it needs to have good sides. First, Unity is cross-platform supports 25 platforms from this most popular like Windows Android, or Xbox to Android TV, or WebGL. Geez, who use it? Well, Unity is that popular at ID developers because it have very big asset store, which is even bigger than at which Unreal Engine have. Next, Unity is faster and lighter than Unreal Engine, which is important to smaller studios. Unity have big community which can help you when you have problems with game dev. This engine is universal, like AbleTie's tape and WD-40, and like this thing's, it can make games in 2D and 3D. Okay, I talk very much about futures and weak sides of engine, but how it look like compared to other engines. Unity is something like multi-tool, but why? Because it's average, seriously. It's lighter than Unreal Engine or CryEngine and heavier than Godot, better in 3D than Godot, but worse in 3D than Unreal Engine. On the other hand, Godot is better in 2D. Also, Godot have worse physics, but in this Unity is worse than CryEngine. Yes, it's just average. Okay, I'm kiting Unity is best for start when you don't want to learn Unreal Engine Blueprint and be more versatile. Unity also have better interface than CryEngine, but for 2D games, Godot is simpler and generally better for 2D development. Okay, let's sum up. Unity is universal and good for hobby game dev, but I don't recommend it when you have more time, or you will make complicated mechanics want to have realistic graphics or base gameplay on Physic. You have better alternatives. Also, you need to buy Pro to unlock futures when other engines are completely free. And my verdict is Unity isn't bad, but very medium. It's 4 out of 10. Goodbye.